Hello there everybody and welcome back to Crafty Canines. I'm Sophie and today we're going to be unboxing the Water Fairy. And it is by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club. Now it is one of the older kits, but I don't mind. Okay, let's see here. Go. Oh, come on. Out. Okay, so since I've been working on the newer kit, let's see how different the older kits are. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Okay. There we go. Okay, come on. It seems to be stuck a little bit. Okay. Oh, come on now. Let's see if we can yank it out this way. Okay, so we got the sticker. Oh, there we go. Oh, so here's the toolkit. This is different than the original. And it's sealed. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. There we go. Okay, so we've got a pen. We've got some bags. What are you? Huh. I believe they took a page out of Craftably. So here is a cover minder. And we've got a squishy to go with our pen. We've got a different type. Ooh, there's two of them in here. Okay, so there's two waxes in here. Close that back up. And we've got some washi tape that matches our cover minder. That's kind of cool. We've got two multi-placers, a 4 and a 7, and a tray. Let's put this that away. There we go. That's pretty impressive. So it's not an old kit, but it is a little bit newer. It's not a new kit, and it's not an old kit. So yeah. I'm just gonna be quiet. Alright. Baggies. And the pen. There we go. Put that off to the side. We will move this over there. Okay. Is there anything else in there? Nope. Alright. Let's go ahead and get the canvas out of here. And the diamonds. Okay, and coming out with the diamonds is the color chart. Oh, not the color chart. The stickers for the symbols. So we've got 4 Aurora Borealis diamonds, and then we have a thank you hand flip that shows you how to do or how to diamond paint step by step. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right there in my little trash can. Okay, so the canvas is still a nice velvet. Here is the picture, and it is huge. Alright, so number 1 is going to be our first special. Let's see if we can find some number 1s. Was anybody seeing any ones? I am not currently seeing any number 1s. Alright, so let's look for number 2s. Number 2s. Since we're looking for number 2s, that means that we'll probably find number 1. Okay, there are some number 2s down here in this area. Seems to be all for the number 2s. Okay, so then let's look for the next one, which is number 3. Okay, number 3, we've got a bunch going right here, some more going on right here, and then over here. There's a lot of number 3s. Alright, so the next one after that is going to be number 4. Now, I did see a bunch of number 4s, so all of this here is number 4. Still wondering what happened. Oh, here's number 1. I found number 1. Woohoo! Okay, so number 1 is going to be in this area here on the wing. Is that all of it? Alright, I guess that's all of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the diamonds. Alright, so diamonds here. Okay. Well, we have 1. Alright. So here is our first set. Not a whole lot of diamonds in these, but we do have some colors going on. Here's our first Aurora. It's going to be a blue or a teal. There are lots of colors. Here's our next Aurora. It's going to be a tan. Go ahead and put this up here. Alright, our next strip is going to be this one. It's got a little bit more diamonds in the container, or in the bags. And here's our next Aurora. It's going to be like a aqua. There's that one. Put that one right there. Alright, then we've got our last one, which there are several bags of the same color. And then since it is a Mandy Manzano, it's got 4 bags of black. Here is our last Aurora, and it's 2 bags of the white. Alright. Okie dokie. Let's grab this one. And then we'll grab this one here. Oops. Wrap it up. Just like that there. Grab our baggie. It got stuck in the sticky. There we go. Alright, I'll grab this. And I'm going to put this in here. Like that. And this one in here like that. And then roll our diamonds up. That way those don't run away. Alright. Let's put this back in the bag. If the bag feels like cooperating. The bag does not feel like cooperating. Go. And then we'll seal that up. just like that, and put it back in its box, just like that. Now, good news is it will not be as hard to open the next time, or get the diamond painting out the next time, because the toolkit does not go back with the diamond painting. It goes in that drawer over there. Alright, so that was The Water Fairy by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video, which we're doing unboxings every Friday. And so I'll see you next Friday. Alright, happy crafting, everybody. Bye!